If your Roblox homepage isn't loading in 2025, don't panic. Here are some simple fixes you can try. First of all, refresh the page. Sometimes it's just a quick glitch. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and, if possible, try switching to another Wi-Fi network. Now, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to the three dots menu at the top, then go into Settings. After that, tap on Privacy and Security followed by Delete Browsing Data. Here, make sure to select Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached Images or Files and then click on Delete Data. After that, check if your browser is updated to the latest version. Click on the three dots menu once again, then hover your mouse over Help. After that, tap on About Google Chrome. Then Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Try logging back into Roblox after updating. If it still doesn't work, try using another browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge just to rule out a browser-specific issue. And that's how you can fix the Roblox homepage not loading problem in 2025. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.